how many ounces is this? 5.
Nice.
What did it come out at? 710?
Yeah, 710.
Okay, we'll weigh the yellow thing next.
Oh my!
He's a fighter. Yeah, look at them teeth. Thing's almost as big as you.
Here, Raina, you want to hold it? You want to take a picture? You want to take a picture of it?
Here, I'll take a picture of you two with it if you want.
Oh, sweet.
Here, you can stand next to your dad.
She's like, I don't know.
Alright. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
And then we'll do another.
Man,
Just in case that one came out bad.
that's a beautiful.
1, 2, 3.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Go put them back in the water.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, you can just set it on my bench if you would. Thank you.
That thing is awesome.
Now I would have just dropped them right here.
We'll do a nice release since we put them through.
Put
all
him
this
through so
torture.
much hell. He's not gonna eat for like
He's
days.
not gonna eat for a while. I mean, he's got a hole in his mouth. Yeah, and I wasn't gonna spend a lot of money on Boca grips. Like those things are expensive as hell.
Boca grips?
Are those the one with the scale?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I seen those.
There he goes. Holy crap.
Zoom straight out.
Alright, where'd it go? Let me cast over there.